Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are from in the whole wide world. There's your Jeanette Pickering with another video. Got Lado behind me.
Hello!
Just a mess about video today. We'll be going to El Marshall. And I've got the Avata 2, DJI Avata 2 and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So we'll be flying those today, and hopefully I won't crash and slice his fingers off. So if you did like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment, all that malarkey. I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.
Bye! Bye!
Can't take him anyway. See you later. Look at this bloody lot. Bottles and crap everywhere. Got a bin, put it in it. Take it to bloody tip, you dirty bastards. Wise me up, sorry for swearing, but yeah.
I'm here and all still.
All that lot. Dirty gets all in there, look.
You're up in there, isn't it?
All in there. Dirty gets. Even more down there. Scrubbers. Whoever you are, scrubbers. And here we are. Somebody over yonder. Black bank.
What?
That bank, that one, or that bench. I think we'll go over at this bench. Callum's taking photographs. Ooh. Ooh.
Got that one picture.
Right guys, that's it. Just a little play about for today. That's Callum.
TikTok. Go over to TikTok now. Callum Pickering.
No,
What?
Huh?
Huh?
What? Callum what?
Callum Pickering 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Follow.
On what?
TikTok.
What's your handle?
Callum Pickering.
Go on, what's your handle?
Callum Pickering 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4, 5, there you go.
Yeah.
What happened to Callum's vlogs? White? Oh,
That's Instagram.
Oh, that's Instagram, is
That's Callum_vlogs YT.
Anyway, spin you around. That's what I've got to go back up when we first come down. So, if you did watch it all, thank you very much. If not, hey, we'll not be seeing this bit.
Oh well.
And I shall see you in the next one, whenever that may be. Could be today, tomorrow,
Next
year. So watch out for Morecambe. That's coming up this time next month. So there'll be plenty of videos on that, hopefully.
No.
And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.